everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm just gonna show you what a typical morning looks like for me. My morning rituals and one of my new hobbies right now. So let's get started. First thing I do is get a glass of water, and every time I get a new glass, I write it on my chalkboard so I can monitor how much I drank for the day. And then, of course, coffee! I don't have breakfast because I do IF and start eating at 2 p.m. So, my coffee is black, black, black. I use 1 scoop of ground coffee for every glass of water. This morning, I'm preparing 2 cups. 1 for me, 1 for Mark. Do you see my red mocha pot? I use that whenever I need a jolt of energy, but for today, I'm good with my French press. While waiting for my coffee to brew, I start laying out my gadgets and notebook. 5 minutes are up. My coffee is ready. Now that I have my coffee and water, I open up my iPad, prop it up, and put it on YouTube. By this time, I've already checked my emails, text messages, and missed calls if any. So this is really a time to relax and play some of my games while I drink and savor my coffee. And this is one of my favorite games, Design Home, that I have on my 2 gadgets. Yes, 2 different accounts because I love playing it so much. After Design Home, I move on to Music Maker Jam and make some music.